Okay, so we talked about web browser interact through internet. Yup. Alright, so let's start with each device is connected. So for adding on more to DNS is each device is connected to the internet has a unique IP address, as you all know, with which other machines you use to find the device. A DNS server eliminates the need of a human to memorize IP addresses. It's a pretty cool thing. So we use bind as a Linux for DNS. So what basically bind is, these are the features for bind. So it authoritative DNS, khaki only DNS, basic DNS load balancing, dynamic update, split DNS, and it uses IPv6. Pretty cool. Let's talk about bind. What bind is. Bind stands for Berkeley Internet Name Domain. Is the most popular domain name system that is in use today. It was developed in 1980s at the University of Berkeley and is currently in version 9. It's an open source system, free to download and use, offered under the Mozilla public license. Can be used to run a caching DNS server or an authoritative name server and provides features like load balancing, notify, dynamic update, display DNS, IPv6, and many more. These are some benefits. Alright, so hardening techniques. So basically for DNS hardening techniques, we can do firewall, which is a pretty easy, almost the first defense against anything is firewall implementation. Then we have DNS forwarders and DNS khaki auditing, use larger DNS khakis. Khaki only DNS server, firewall implementation, that we already said. DNS server registry and bind. For IMAP hardening techniques, we discussed Dove code, and configuring it pretty good will be the best thing for IMAP. Start TTLS between MUA, communicating with transfer agent, SSL, TLS support, public key infrastructure, countermeasures to passive monitoring, and never ever plain text because it's easy to read. Anyone can hack it. Always use secure connection for 993. Use TCP. You can use TCP or UDP, but UDP is just less reliable. Alright, this is about it.